my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like
It's gonna be song reaction. I'm thinking which song to do. Barota, Sidhu Moosewala is what we're gonna do today. Why do I sound like a dude? Because I just woke up. That's why. The first song is gonna be Barota, music video by Sidhu Moosewala. The Kid. The Kid is who? The Kid. The music is by The Kid. Female lead is Shweta Barar. Singer, lyrics and composer Mr. Sidhu Moosewala ji, and violin is Raginder. Mix master, cool. Okay, we can get to this latest Punjabi song. I've turned on the captions. Let's go. Sidhu Moosewala. The tattoos. Help us. Let's go, Mr. Savior. True makers. बंदूक है ना? Hey yo. Sidhu ji is coming for the people.
ਆਓ ਐਲਸੀ ਦੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਸੀ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਜਮਾਤਾ ਦੇ ਸਭ ਰਾਜ ਵਰਗਾ ਕਬੂਤਰੀਆਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਸੀ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਸਰਪੰਚਾਂ ਦਾ ਸੀ ਬਾਜ ਵਰਗਾ ਚੜੀ ਸੀ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਪੈਟਰੋਲ ਵਰਗੀ
Tongue was like petrol.
ਸੀਗਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਗੋਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਓ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੁਸਨ ਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਚੱਲੀ ਪੁਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਜੱਟ ਜਦੋਂ ਪੱਟਦਾ ਬਰੋਟੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੁਸਨ ਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਚੱਲੀ ਪੁਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ
ਜ਼ਬਰਦਸਤ।
ਜੱਟ ਜਦੋਂ ਪੱਟਦਾ ਬਰੋਟੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਉ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਬਣਾਉਣੇ ਐਸਾ ਅੱਖ ਤੇਰੀ ਨੇ
Her eyes are beautiful.
ਜਵਾਨੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਉਹ ਬਾਇਓਲੋਜੀ ਦੇ ਸੀਜ਼ਨ ਨਾਲ ਲੁਕਦੀ ਸਿੱਟਾ ਪਿਆ ਸਲੇ ਦੇ ਕਾਰਖਾਨੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਭੁੱਲ ਗਿਆ ਵੀ
box is like ammunition factory.
ਮੋਜੀ ਦਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਛੋਟੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ ਚੱਲੀ ਹੁਸਨ ਤੇਰੇ ਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਪੁਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਜੱਤੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਪੱਟਦਾ ਬਰੋਟੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ ਹੁਸਨ ਤੇਰੇ ਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਪੁਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਹੋ ਜੱਤੀ ਜਦੋਂ
Yo,
ਪੱਟਦਾ
they look good together, by the way.
ਦਿਲ ਦੀ ਸੀ ਉਹਨੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਕਰਦੀ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਖੋਪੜੇ ਆ ਚੰਗੇ ਤਲਵਾਰਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਦੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਗਈ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਡੋਰੀਆ ਜੱਟ ਬੰਨੀ ਫਿਰੇ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਗਿਆਰਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਦੀ ਉਹ ਪਿਆਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਤੰਦਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਨੱਥ ਪਾ ਲਿਆ ਪਿਆਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਤੰਦਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਨੱਥ ਪਾ ਲਿਆ ਉਹ ਮੂਸੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਯੱਤ ਸੀਗਾ ਝੋਟੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ ਚੱਲੀ ਹੁਸਨ ਤੇਰੇ ਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਪੁਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਜੱਤੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਪੱਟਦਾ ਬਰੋਟੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ
Crazy.
ਤੇਰੇ ਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਪੁਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ
John is full in love.
ਪੱਟਦਾ ਬਰੋਟੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ ਆਓ ਬਾਕੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਕੰਡਾ ਕਦੇ ਸੁਣ ਮਿੱਠੀਆ ਇਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਤੇ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਚ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਕੁੰਗੀਆਂ ਗਤਾਰਾ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਪੈਂਦੀਆਂ ਕਿਲਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਕਦੇ ਟੰਡੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਬੋਲ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਚਕਾਰਿਆ ਮਿੱਠੀਏ
Cool, my sweet words.
ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਚਕਾਰਿਆ ਮਿੱਠੀਏ ਹੋ ਉੱਚਾ ਕਿਰਦਾਰ ਸੀਗਾ ਕੋਠੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੁਸਨ ਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਚੱਲੀ ਪੁਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ
Cool, my high character.
ਬਰੋਟੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ ਹੁਸਨ ਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਚੱਲੀ ਪੁਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਜੱਟ ਜਦੋਂ ਪੱਟਦਾ ਬਰੋਟੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ ਆਓ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਸੀ ਫਿਰਦਾ ਹੰਕਾਰ ਪੰਨਦਾ ਦੇ ਹੀ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਚ ਖੁਜਲਾ ਤਾਂ ਮਿੱਠੀਏ ਆਓ ਸਿੱਧੂਆਂ ਦਾ ਪੁੱਤ ਸੀ ਹਵੇਲੀਆਂ ਵਾਲਾ ਸਾਧ ਕਰ ਕੁੱਲੀ ਚ ਬਿਠਾਤਾ ਮਿੱਠੀਏ ਕੋਈ ਨੇੜੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਖੱਬੀ ਖਾਨ ਜੰਮਿਆ ਨੇੜੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਖੱਬੀ ਖਾਨ ਜੰਮਿਆ ਹੋ ਅੰਬੋ ਜਸ ਵਾਤੀ ਆਏ
He's not happy with this chick, right?
ਤੇਰੇ ਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਪੁਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਜੱਤੀ ਜਦੋਂ
coming. That's her dad, right? I'm confused. That is her dad, or let him go because of love. Let's go. It seemed like Mr. Sidhu Moosewala was a son of a big ass person because he had a Haveli, and all the chicks were after him because he's handsome too, on top of that. And she was one of them. But her eyes is what captured him, and the one line that kept playing inside the whole music video was the thread of love. She binded him with that, and that's something that he could not escape. Like everything else was fine, but love is hard to shook off, right? Even for Sidhu Moosewala ji. His love for guns are pretty clear because it's all over the video, but apart from that, his love for women, we saw it because at the end, probably it was her father who was against this love story or whatever, but he did not kill him. He did not kill him. He let him go, even though he hurt his soul, which is the chick, right? So it was amazing to see a love song coming from Mr. Sidhu Moosewala, and I'm glad we checked it out. Let's check out the next song, which is, oh wait, a little bit of comments and then we'll pass, okay? ये बंदे के लेगेसी देखो, खुद चला गया है और ऐसे ऐसे सॉन्ग्स विश लिस्ट में रखे हुए थे. Hats off. He has left us, but not his music, because that's gonna live in our hearts forever. And he has left a mark of the legend, that is. Let's go to the next comment. Yesterday equals Sidhu Moosewala, today equals Sidhu Moosewala. मतलब कहना क्या चाहती हूँ? Tomorrow equals Sidhu Moosewala, forever equals Sidhu Moosewala. Okay, I got it now. Always love you, Ustad, miss you so much. That's sweet. Of course, agreed completely. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, every day is gonna be a Sidhu Moosewala day. 20 million? No. 50 million. Yeah, well, facts. I am from South Korea. I don't understand your language, but like your video, love you, India. This guy, I've seen the same comment in another video that we watched. He is everywhere. This Korean guy is all over Indian music. He loves it, and I believe you. The vote for 50 million? No. 500 million. That is the right standard to set because it's completely possible for him to get that many views. Sidhu's fans attendance here. Are you here? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Okay guys, let's move on to the next one. The next song is called Gehra Hua from the movie Dhurandhar. The star cast is Ranveer Singh, Sanjay Dutt, Akshay Khanna, R. Madhavan, Arjun Rampal and Sara Arjun, and Aditya Dar film. We know it, we know it, we know it. Written, directed and produced all Aditya itself. Other producers would be Jyoti Deshpande and Lokesh Dar. Cool. And okay, the singer, the main thing we forgot to check out. Wait. Singer Arjit Singh and Arman Khan. Lyrics Irshad Kamil, music supervisor and all those people. Shout out, okay? Shout out to you. Let's check the song out. I have turned off the captions. Go.
सुर में गाना सीखिए पाधानीसा ऐप के साथ AI powered personal music teacher from Saregama.
तू अगर मेरी ये हवाएं तेरी, तू अगर मेरी सारी राहें तेरी, तू अगर मेरी मैं हूँ तेरा. तू अगर
I love her
मेरी
calls.
ये उजाले तेरे, तू अगर मेरी दिल हवाले तेरे, तू
By the
अगर
way,
मेरी
Ranveer Singh looks like a bumper share.
बेताब सा
So sweet.
मोहब्बत का तू कलाब है, मेरा जहां तेरी बाहों
Oh, she looks good too, by the way.
ख्वाब है.
Never heard of her, but
गहरा हुआ
she's a beauty.
आशिकी, गहरा हुआ
curtain like nobody's there.
तेरा हुआ तू अगर मेरी, ये हवाएं तेरी तू अगर मेरी, सारी राहें तेरी तू
Lights on.
अगर मेरी,
The mood lighting.
हूँ तेरा। पलके झपकता है आसमां, लाखों फरिश्तों की है तू जान। वो पूछते हैं रहती कहाँ, मेरी बाहों में रहती उनको बता। पलके झपकता है आसमां, उसने भी तुझसा देखा कहाँ, है रौनक
We saw the gun. We saw the gun.
जहाँ मेरी बाहों में रहना, यही है दुआ तू अगर मेरी,
The gun romance.
राहें तेरी तू
Which
अगर
gun?
मेरी, सारी राहें तेरी तू अगर मेरी, मैं हूँ तेरा। बेताब सा मोहब्बत का तू इनकलाब है, मेरा जहां तेरी बाहों में ख्वाब
That looks like I know you.
है। गहरा हुआ, गहरा हुआ, रंग आशिकी, गहरा
Stop staring, girl.
तू ही तू हुआ तू अगर मेरी, तो खुदाएं तेरी तू अगर
Uh-huh,
मेरी,
gifts.
रहनुमाएं तेरी तू अगर मेरी, मैं हूँ तेरा।
That's it, right? Is there more? No. That's enough. You know which part I love the most was the gun romance. That was my favorite part. Let me know yours in the comments. And the star of this entire song is, of course, apart from Ranveer and Sara, was the main singers, which is Arjit Singh and Arman Khan of this entire song. They ate it because their vocals were so sweet and melting that I am completely not here anymore. This is not me, guys. I am melted away. That was so nice to hear. And Irshad Kamal's lyrics were like, we just only need each other. Nobody else matters in this world. It was just them. Even though in a crowded place, like the family get together or whatever, they were just looking at each other's eyes like, we don't need anybody else. He's buying her gifts, showing appreciation. They're going for shopping together. That's probably what men hate the most, going shopping with a woman. Because it takes a long hours, right? Like, even I hate going shopping with my girlfriends because they take a hell lot of time. I generally do online shopping, but yeah. Okay, so let's check out the comments. Wait, this song is trending on number 9 on music trending charts. So deserved it. And the oh shit, and the Baroda song that I forgot to mention is trending on number 1 on music trending charts. So let's go, Baroda. So let's check out the comments of Gehra Hua. The casting looks like Beauty and the Beast. He definitely looks like the Beast, but in a good way because of his outer exterior look. No Filmfare, no Oscar, no Grammy, no award in the world can justify the level of Arjit's voice and the feel he sings with. Arjit sir is not a voice, he's a feeling and emotion. He is immortal. So lucky to have him in our generation. Yeah. I don't have to justify this because I have already melted away. I'm not even here. I already told you about it. Let's go to the next comment. I never want Arjit's era to end. He is the one who makes me feel like I am in a relationship even when I'm single. That's a good feeling. That's a good Delulu feeling to have. In Gehra Hua, Arjit's voice modulation is unbelievable. The way he shifts from Soft low tones to emotional highs and then slides back into calmness shows the marks of a true master. No one else can bring so many shades of emotion into a single song the way Arjit does. Of course, the highs and lows in a vocal is what brings in the emotion and adds more depth to the whole song. And he did it so very well because they are great singers in the end of the day, right? Let's also appreciate Shashwat Sachdev, who made this masterpiece. Absolutely, shout out to him as well, because everybody contributes to make the track a wholesome one, which they all mastered, by the way. The Ladakh shots are so beautiful. I don't think so people understand, but movies and songs play a great role in influencing and boosting tourism of those places in India. Also, a beautiful song. While I was watching itself, I told you that place was absolutely stunning, and yeah, it helps in tourism. Hopefully, it does. Oof, this song is an addiction. Absolutely, we are all addicted with both of the songs. One is Barota and the other one is Gehra Hua. If you enjoy the tracks, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit on that bell icon, and I will see you on the next one. Hopefully, it's gonna be maybe a fight scene, maybe something else, maybe something else. I have no clue about it. Like, I have a bunch of things that I've written down. So, one of them, yeah, probably let's do Salman Khan next. Salman Khan angry at the media. Sounds good, right? Like, it'll be fun. Let's watch that, okay? Until then, I'll see you later. Bye. Leave now.
No filter, I got no filter.